Go that side, Pa. Go that side.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Homemade by SIBO. Exciting series. We are finally starting with renovations, and today's video is actually just going to be focusing on the children's bedrooms. It's obviously going to be sort of like a series because I cannot do everything all at once. It's going to be different phases. But right now I just wanted to show you guys what we have done so far. We managed to change out all the windows around that needed to be changed out, and the biggest thing with this house was that there were literally different styles of windows, different lengths. They just didn't make sense. So I thought, for every window that was like same size, rather have the same style of windows, which is what we did. So we did same style, even if it was a smaller window on that particular opening, but it was the same style type of a window. So that's what we did. And then moving on, we also did our roof. We've never touched our roof. I wasn't bothered, but we needed it done because the other thing that was that's actually getting done soon is our solar, so I needed to get the roof done as well. So I got a contractor that came out to give a quotation, and we did rubberized roof paint rather. So we got the rust cleaned out first, and then they primed, did 2 coats of the primer and then 2 coats of the actual paint. And then now moving on into my daughter's bedroom, the twin. Also it needed, after the cleaning up actually, because I had her clean out her wardrobe and also clean like rather just sweep up the floors and wipe down, just so that we have somewhat decent space to start with the priming of the walls. So here, as you can see, we started with the priming the walls. We primed all the walls, and in my son's bedroom we didn't prime them because the walls were already white, so we just didn't do that. We just went in with his actual paint. I will put the paint colors that I ended up going with on the bottom of the screen for each bedroom. So yeah guys, I hope that you enjoy this video and you will actually eventually enjoy the whole series. And yeah, don't forget to like and to also share if you find it helpful, and to comment as well. Enjoy. So I had another paint job on this guest toilet, and a reason being, I also got the window in this guest toilet changed. So after all the plastering and rhinolite, I needed to put a fresh coat of paint. So I decided to just paint up the whole wall. But I do want to get this guest toilet redone somewhat, or just give it a new look, but that's a project for another day. Okay, so my daughter decided she wanted to join the paint party, so I let her roll the first few coats, and unfortunately for her, the roller was a little bit too heavy for her. So she did roll though a little bit, and then until she was like completely tired. So I let her continue with her swimming as myself and her sister finished with the walls. Yo guys, these are finally going out. Finally, pick up Nana. Okay, and they are already falling apart, these beds. Come and show here, Oli. How bad? Focus here. Show there. Look at how this just went like, and here as well. Yeah, it was already time, like it was time, but it's getting done. Hey guys, so we are done with the first coat. We did the priming yesterday, and we actually repeated the priming because it was a little bit too patchy. And then this morning we actually started working around 9:30, 10, and then we've done the one coat here. On this wall, it's gonna have wallpaper and wood. So it's basically gonna be a feature wall, but I'll put the inspo picture on the screen so that you guys can see. But yeah, we are actually, my daughter is busy cleaning the paint on the wall because the primer was a little bit runny. So a lot of times on the roller or even the brush, it was splattering, so she's cleaning that up. This one, we don't have a lot of accidents on it, and it's actually quite thick. So this is one coat, and then we're gonna be finishing with that, and then take off the tape. And this one, we're gonna leave it for now like this up until
the time when I put the wallpaper and the wood. Okay, so in my son's room, we are basically done. Like maybe I would say 70% done with the painting, but we've done 2 coats on this wall, and that wall. And then as I was taking up the tape, there was pulling off the paint as well, so I need to do touch-ups on that, especially up at the top, because at the bottom, the baseboards, I painted them the same blue color. And then here, my daughter has taken her headboard. You guys know I built that headboard for my daughter, so she's taken it finally. And then I will have to get Oli and Bella their own headboards now that they are going into bigger beds. And then actually I'm running out of paint, but I will finish this up I think tomorrow. But I will start with the paint that I'm still left with on at the bottom, and then going up. I think I will need maybe, because it's a very nice dark, rich dark color. 1 coat is good, but it's not the best. So I'm gonna get just 1 liter of it, and I was using Dulux luxurious silk, because I wanted the satin finish on both rooms. Actually, throughout my house, I will be using satin finish paints, because I like the fact that you can just wipe and go. I don't like matte finish paints, because I have pets and I have kids, and that just doesn't work out for me. In the bathroom, it works fantastic, and here and that side, I've chosen the satin finish. So I did luxurious. I only did 1 5-liter for this room and 1 5-liter for Bella's room. So yeah, this is basically all it is. I'm gonna be changing this out as well. Actually, tomorrow I found some side tables on Facebook Market. They are the same color, but I don't know if I'm gonna be changing the colors yet. I will see once I put them in the space and how big they are, because my son does like this one. This was their nursery side table for their nursery that he was using now. So yeah, basically that's everything. And then I'm gonna be doing the touch ups tomorrow. I'm tired now. Just wanna, because it's Sunday already, and I want to get the kids to finish cleaning up their rooms. I want to finish cleaning the house. Because tomorrow I'll be out of town, and then Tuesday, this whole week, just coming week, is going to be quite hectic for us. So I won't have much time, but when I do have a little bit of like time, I will be going over to do the touching ups on the paint for the cornices and stuff. And on Bella's room as well, I'm yet to change the cornice to match this one, because we decided to go with this one. This one is the same one that's in the bathroom as well, but we did it for when my daughter moved into this room. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. And keep it like this one. Oh, princess. From single falling apart bed, my love. It was worth the wait. Yeah. I know, I can understand.
This is my first queen size bed.
It's a double, it's not a queen size, man.
But it's not first.
Big girl bed.
Yes, my first.
I wasn't gonna buy you guys other beds before, I needed you guys to grow up and be responsible, so that when we buy so that you don't mess it up. Hi guys, so this is Bella's bed set up. I got her these mini side tables on Facebook Market. I think they are a nice size. Yeah, so this is how it is right now. She's definitely gonna be sleeping in a room tonight, and then we will at a later stage. Oh, why did this go dark now? At a later stage, then we will do the feature wall there. But right now, this is how her room looks like. Her room is actually quite big because she's got space this side and she's got space this side. But here, I was thinking of also giving her like maybe a bookshelf that's gonna be facing the wardrobe this side, and then a reading bench here somewhere, just there, and then with the bookcase facing the wardrobe. And this is how her wardrobe looks like. So this is only just hers because the brother has the same layout of a wardrobe, everything. So yeah, it's actually quite big, even bigger than what I have right now. But well, obviously it's not about me right now. But her room is like this. Now I'm going to set up for Big Brother, and then I'm gonna be done with this video, and then the next time you guys will see is probably when I am dressing up the beds and moving on with other steps of the bedroom makeovers.